How to log out from Lyft app. If you have been using the Lyft application and wondering on how to log out from the application, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the application just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto You button at the bottom. Select it. Then scroll down and here you can find settings just right here. Tap on it. Then again scroll down until the end and here you can find log out. Now simply select it. Now simply confirm that you want to log out. Tap on it. And now you can see you have simply logged out from the app. And that's it. This is how you can log out from the Lyft app. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.